In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credit card charges and credits to QuickBooks Online. Recording credit card activity correctly keeps your books clean and makes reconciliation smooth. Whether you're tracking everyday purchases or reflecting a credit from a vendor, the process uses the same expense form in QuickBooks Online, and it posts directly to your credit card register. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and locating the plus sign labeled New. You'll find it at the top of the left navigation panel. This is your hub for creating transactions. From the menu that appears, look under the Vendors column and choose Expense. Expense is the right choice for credit card purchases because it records an immediate payment to a vendor rather than something you'll pay later. At the top of the expense form, open the Payment Account dropdown and select the specific credit card you used. This step is crucial. Picking the correct credit card ensures the transaction increases the balance on that card and shows up in the correct register and reconciliation. Next, complete the header details. Enter the payee so your vendor histories and spending reports stay accurate. Set the payment date to match your receipt or statement. If you have a reference number from the receipt, you can add it for easier lookup later. Use the memo field to note context, like what was purchased or the event it relates to. If you keep digital documentation, you can attach the receipt so everything lives with the transaction for audit and tax support. Now categorize the spend. In the Category Details section, choose the appropriate account, such as office supplies, meals, or software subscriptions, based on what you bought. Accurate categories feed your profit and loss reports and help with budgeting. If the purchase covers multiple types of costs, add additional lines and split the amount so each portion hits the correct account. If your company tracks class, location, or customer billable details, you can assign those on each line to keep project and department reporting precise. When everything looks right, select Save and Close. The expense will post to the credit card's register and be ready to reconcile with your monthly statement. A few tips before we wrap up. If your credit card is connected to bank feeds, avoid duplicating entries. You can enter transactions now for timely reporting and later match them to the downloaded feed as long as dates and amounts align. For vendor credits or returns, many companies reflect them using the same form so the activity remains within the credit card account. Follow your accountant's guidance for your setup. That's it. You've recorded your credit card activity properly, and your books will thank you at reconciliation time.